Good morning, everyone. Uh, we were reading the chapter number 2 from your Beehive section, that is the sound of music. In this chapter, we were reading about a deaf musician, that is Evelyn Glean. So, let's begin the second paragraph of this chapter. Now, Evelyn Glean's loss of hearing had been gradual. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. They called her name and she didn't move. I suddenly realized she hadn't heard, says Isabel Glean. For quite a while, Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers, but by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated, and her headmistress urged her parents to take her to a specialist. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. They were advised that she should be fitted with the hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. Now, the meaning of conceal, it means to hide. Okay, conceal means to hide. Okay, and urge means to request. Okay, to make a request. And impaired means weak. ओके जैसे उसके जो हियरिंग जो सेंस से नर्वस सिस्टम वो वीक हो गया था. So what happened now? Evelyn could not hear, and this was a bigger challenge for her. Moving from a rural area to a fast life was a smaller challenge, but Evelyn faced a much bigger challenge, that was her inability to hear. Slowly, she started losing the power of hearing, and once she was absolutely deaf. Now, Isabel Glean, that is her mother, okay, name of her mother is the name of Alvin's mother. So she really recollects one incident when Evelyn was 8 years old, and she says that Evelyn was for her turn to play the piano, but when her name was called out, she did not respond. And that moment, her mother realized that Evelyn did not respond to her name. That means she did not hear her name being called out. So, as Evelyn lost her sense of hearing in phases, it was a gradual process. In the beginning, when she could hear partially, she managed to hide her disability from her friends and teacher. But when Evelyn was 11 years old, her marks was started deteriorating. Okay, deteriorating means I think बता दिया था आपको, reduce करना, कम करना. Okay, so this one is reduce. Okay, so the the headmistress requested his parents to take Evelyn to the doctor. Okay, when the doctor checked upon her, he found out that the Evelyn had lost the sense of hearing, and he advised to her parents that they should get hearing aids. Hearing aids means a kind of equipment that fitted into your ear, and it helps a person to hear. Okay, so he also suggested that Evelyn should be sent to a school for the deaf children. Okay, a special school. When Evelyn discovered that she could not hear, and that moment she would be sent to be a school for deaf children, that she was not as good as normal children. Her world became colorless. It turned black. ओके, हर जो दुनिया थी, उसकी वर्ल्ड थी, वो बिल्कुल कलरलेस हो गई थी क्योंकि वो सुन नहीं पा रही थी. नाउ इट टर्न्ड ब्लैक. ओके, so now there is everything looked suddenly looked black. Now what does it means? It means that all of a sudden you get such a bad news, you get some news that you don't accept, and in return you see blackness all around you. That is how Evelyn responded to this news. Okay, now the second one. But Evelyn was not going to give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone, and she decided that she wanted to play it too. Most of the teachers discouraged her, but the pianist Ron Forbes spotted her potential. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. Don't listen through your ears, he would say. Try to sense it some other way, says Evelyn. Suddenly, I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Now, Forbes repeated the exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. I had learned to my I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibration. The rest was sheer determination and hard work. Now, uh, pianist means one who plays drum. Okay, one who plays drums. So, what happened? Now, this this shows Evelyn had determinations. Although Evelyn got such shocking news, still she was determined and she did not want to give up. As Evelyn was passionate about music, and this news did not break her. Okay, so this was determined. So she was determined to live life like a normal people and follow her interest in music. When Evelyn saw a girl playing the xylophone. Okay, so xylophone is a kind of a musical instrument, as you can see in this picture also. So she wanted to play it too. Now, on one hand, Evelyn's teachers discouraged her because they knew that she couldn't hear, and hearing was an important part of music. But Ron Frost saw that Evelyn was very passionate about music, and so he decided something. So he thought that he would teach her to feel music. So he took two large drums and tuned them to different notes. He tuned each drum to different notes so that the sound produced by the drums was different. Okay, so it was distinct, and both the drums made a different sound. Then he told Evelyn that don't try to listen through your ears. Okay, he said that try to sense it, try to feel the music in some other way. Now, Ron had tuned both the drums to different notes. The upper part of Evelyn's body, means the above the waist, okay, could feel the higher notes of the drum, and the lower part of her body could feel the lower notes of the drum. This is show this is that This shows that Evelyn can listen to sound although she cannot hear. Okay, so she can sense different notes in different parts of body, and um, and Ron Frost taught Evelyn to respond to different sounds, different sounds, different parts of Evelyn's body, different parts of Evelyn's body responded to different sounds, and that is how she could identify the sounds and the different vibration. Okay, so now once she could identify the sounds and the vibration, the hurdle had been overcome and Evelyn's career went upward. As she had determination, because she is a determined to become a good musician, and she also did not and she also हार्ड वर्किंग, ओके, उसने बहुत मेहनत की थी. शी डिड अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, दैट्स वाई शी इज़ अ fabulous musician. Okay, that is enough for today, and we will continue our section, this explanation in our next video.